Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about AXGaming Compact Ready GeForce RTX 3090 Ti graphics card. So friend, AXGaming releases the RTX 3090 Ti A3W graphics card, and friend, it is a new semi-custom design from a new brand called AXGaming, which is a part of Innovision Multimedia group. And friend, it features triple 10 cm fan design and usually see a setup of 8 or 9 cm fans or a combination of 2x10 plus 1x8 cm, but 3 10 cm fans are slowly becoming normal for the ultra high end market where the airflow and heat dissipation increases exponentially. And friend, it is factory overclocked to 1890 MHz, which is an increase of 30 MHz over NVIDIA specification. And friend, the 24 GB of GDDR6X memory is clocked at default 21 Gbps speed. Furthermore, the TDP has been left unchanged at 450 watt. And friend, the card is powered through a single 16-pin power connector. And friend, the A3X model is a triple slot design where the PCB barely reaches the half of the card. This is because this model features NVIDIA reference V-Shaped PCB. Friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.